Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Swapna here. Hope you all are doing well. It's been some time since I shared a simple DIY, so here you go. I'll now take you through the process of transforming a simple glass bottle into a beautiful home decor. The interesting part of this DIY is you don't need any drawing or painting skill for applying the paint or drawing the designs. I'm not at all using any brushes for this whole project. So these four are the basic shades of acrylic paints that I'll be using, and let's begin with applying the black acrylic paint. I've poured the paint onto my palette, and you need a small bit of sponge like this for applying the paint. As you can notice, I'm dabbing the paint all over the bottle. This will give a matte finish as well as a slightly textured finish on the surface of the bottle. Now, keeping the black background, I'll add layers of red, blue and green rings. It's better to use different sponges for applying the different shades. As you can notice, here also I'm not using a brush, instead I'm dabbing the paint using the sponge. Let's move on to apply a layer of blue ring. And now another layer with the green. To finish off the painting part, I am adding another red layer at the top of the bottle. Make sure that each layer is completely dried before applying another layer of paint. As you can notice here, I accidentally peeled off a small bit of green layer and I had to dab it again. Now I am taking golden acrylic paint and here I am diluting it slightly. Next is yet another interesting step. We are going to add few details onto the painted surface. You can explore around your household and find various patterns and designs. I've chosen this cardboard piece to make lines, and also I got a bolt with a circular groove so that I can easily get the circular shape. So the main advantage of using materials like this to create texture or add details on the artwork is that you can easily get even and uniform patterns throughout the design. So let loose your creativity, think wild and add some patterns and details according to your creative thoughts. I didn't have any pre-planned ideas or designs in my mind. I'm just going with my gut and adding few details. Here as a contrast, I've chosen gold. You can also choose any other shades according to your choice or availability of the paint. As you can notice, I'm applying these straight lines using one edge of the cardboard piece, and using the smaller edge, I'm creating this curved lines as well. And this is how I gave a makeover to a plain glass bottle. I'm so impressed to see the outcome. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and this is a really simple and easy DIY guys. So I hope you all will give this a try. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And please consider joining the small creative family by pressing the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.